This is the 126 can beverage fridge. Here I'm installing the door handle, so you want to put the screw through the hole. There'll be 2 holes, so you need to put screws through to add the door handle. So the device also locks. Some of the features is temperature goes between 34 and 64, stainless steel. Here we have the voltage, watts, frequency, and noise levels. So it has an interior LED light. Again, the temperature ranges between 34 and 64. Here we have the 7 beverage racks. It has a split shelf configuration, provides modular shelving for double the can storage. So here I'm just going to demonstrate and add items to the beverage fridge. Show the space. And finally I'm just showing how high it reaches on a flat surface to reach for one of the items. Hope the video was helpful in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.